Hi, this is Dave from littleBits, and today we're going to take a look at the Smart Fridge project. A couple of weeks ago, someone accidentally left the fridge in our office open overnight, so we lost all the food that was inside of it. So we decided to make an alert using our littleBit so we would get a text message if someone accidentally left the fridge door open. To build this circuit, you're going to need a USB power, a temperature sensor, a number module, a threshold, and a littleBit connected to cloud control. The way that it works is whenever the temperature sensor reads above a certain amount determined by the threshold, it'll send a signal to the littleBit. So the next thing we need to do is set that threshold. To do this, we're going to plug in our cloud, then our threshold, and then we can either use a number bit or a bright LED. We're going to turn our threshold all the way down to 0 and wait for the light on the littleBit to go a solid green. Once the littleBit's connected to the cloud, we select that bit in cloud control and go over to the slider. Now we want to set the slider for 40 because that's the temperature that the FDA says your fridge should always be below. So we want it to trigger in case our fridge goes above 40 degrees. To do this, we'll set our slider to 40 and we'll slowly turn the knob on the threshold up until the light goes out. If you're using a number bit, the number bit will be reading 99 and then go down to 0. So now the threshold is set up so that if the temperature goes above 40, it'll signal the littleBit. To set up a text notification when your littleBit triggers, you'll need to create a recipe on If This Then That, a website which connects your littleBit to a bunch of web services like SMS text messaging. The recipe you create will look like this. If your littleBit is triggered from inside your fridge, then send an SMS text. For more projects and resources, check us out at littlebits.cc.